You're back with another one. This time we got Chainsaw Man, Let Me Hear. By Identity None. It's a request. I didn't even look at your name before I probably should have tried to pronounce your name before I even started the video. My fault, fam. Um Rajan Diria. I'm gonna say Rajan Diria. I'm not even gonna try your last name because I got the first name as well as I could. So yeah, Rajan. And also, the last video this is a request. I don't even think I said it in the video, but if you go back look at the last video that was uploaded before this one, it was him right there. Yeah. So yeah, let's get into it. A minute and 32. Oh yeah, this energy coming in. Oh, well, the opposite energy I was expecting. My goodness, he's screaming. Someone get this man a Halls. His voice gotta be exhausted after that. Oh, I hope y'all enjoyed that. That was a scream right there. I hope that was the right video too. I said Chainsaw Man. It's Chainsaw Mad. Or Chainsaw Man Mad. Did I watch the wrong video? Is this the right video? I might have watched the wrong video. Hey, hey, Rajan Daria, Drya. I think it's Rajan Drya. Rajan Drya. If that was the right video, let me know in the comments. If it was the wrong video, put the actual comment in the comment. Like just put it in there. Yeah. That was a month ago. We're probably not gonna remember. But hey, yeah. Hopefully it was. And my laptop dying. So, all right, I'm gonna get out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.